friend, now we want to read about how to say hello. Hello in Spanish. Hello in Spanish is hola, but is written H-O-L-A. Gracias. Gracias. Gracias.
Gracias.
Is
Gracias tiene que dogo.
gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias is to say thank you. Sí. Sí is to say yes. Thank you.